Hey guys, this is Judy from Judinka Nail Art. Welcome back to my channel, and today I have another gel polish set review video for you. I was contacted by the company that is offering gel polishes from a brand called Mefa. I never heard of them before, so I was very intrigued to see what they have to offer. And thank you so much for sending these to me. I will give you my honest opinion on them, so it doesn't matter that they were sent to me for review. As you can see, you are getting 12 gel polishes in this set. And they come in these smaller 8ml bottles or 0.27 oz. They are relatively small, but frankly, especially if you are just using them for your own purpose, you really don't need larger bottles. I really like how small and compact they are. The only thing I wish is that you would also get a base and top coat with them. So in this set you are getting 12 different colors. Other than that, I'm really looking forward to swatch these for you. I will also make sure that everything is linked for you in the description box in case if you would like to check this set out. And of course, if you like my video, then don't forget to thumbs it up for me. That way you also show me if you are interested in live swatch videos. And if you're new here and you just found my channel, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button before you leave. And now I will just kind of jump into the swatches. As I said, there are 12 gel polishes, so I want to get through the review as quickly as I can. And if you have any questions or comments on any of these polishes, gel polishes, or the set itself, just please leave them for me in the comment section below.